Okay, a little kills me to say it, but this holiday is right around the corner, and I saw these, I was like, oh, that would look so cool. So I bought them. I am not sponsored. I clicked buy it now. This is just to decorate our own house. So I thought what we'll do is unbox it, set it up, see what they look like, so you can make a little bit more informed decision. All right, let's take a look at it. Ta-da! Let's see what we got here. Let's see, we got Gnome number 1. He's got a cute little beard. Looks adorable, right? Let's take him, let's throw him up here. Okay, he does look adorable. He's got this big old hat. Oh, let's make it, do we want it upright? Yeah, let's make it stand up. Gnome number 2. How cute is he? Put him up here like that. They got these little booties and the stockings. These guys, okay, I'm happy with myself over this call here. These things are super cute. How cute are these guys? All right, I'm not sure I need to say anything else except how cute are these guys? I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.